Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are good. Today we are going to discuss about the practical pattern for the first year BDS student, in which on the practical day physiology and biochemistry practical will be there. 50% students will go for physiology, 50% will go for biochemistry. So I am here discussing about the first BDS practical examination, which is MUHS pattern, MUHS Nasik pattern. So it will be very beneficial for the students of the first year BDS, and especially this is very important or beneficial for the students of the rural colleges which are in the Maharashtra. So here in this practical pattern you will have 4 sets. In each set 2 questions. This will be the first set, question 1 and question 2. Question 3 and question 4 will be second set, and question 5 and question 6 will be the third set, and question 7 and question 8 will be the fourth set. So in each set 2 questions will be there. First will be major question and the another will be the minor question. The major question will carry 12 marks and minor question will carry 8 marks. So you should know the pattern of the practical of biochemistry will be like this. First question, first in the first set, carry out and describe the precipitation reactions of proteins. So you have to carry out the test on the precipitation reactions of protein. You should know that this is already, I think you will write in the manual. Already it is there in the manual. So you have to read it, the test, the procedure, observation and inference of the test you should learn for the examination. And this question will be of 12 marks. Color reactions of precipitation reactions of protein will be of 12 marks. In this first set, the question second will be carry out and describe the test on glucose. So you have to perform the test on the reducing sugar, that is glucose. So you have to perform at least 5 tests of the reducing sugar, in which procedure, observation and principle of each test will be there, and this question will carry 8 marks. So total the set will be of 20 marks for biochemistry practical examination for BDS first year student. So here you should know that the second set will carry out describe the physical characteristics and abnormal constituents of urine. So you have to write first the physical characteristics of the urine, for example appearance, volume, specific gravity. So these are the physical characteristics of the urine. First you have to write the physical characteristics, and then you have to find out the abnormal constituents which are present in the urine. So these will be written in the answer sheet which will be given by the examiner at the time of examination. So in that, first of all you have to write your name, your center number, date and subject of the practical. So you should know that. After that you have to start writing all this. Then question number 4 will be in the second set, perform and explain the Osa-zone test for given solution. And here you should know that the question number 4 will be of 8 marks. Physical characteristics and abnormal constituents will be of 12 marks, and this question will carry 8 marks. So 20 marks question will be there, second set. Now you should know that these sets are formed for the students. How they are formed? Suppose the number comes from 33 onwards, and here you should know that the students will be there of the biochemistry after 33, and they have to just perform this test. Then the before 33 the students will go for physiology. So here you should know that the question number 5 of the third set, these sets are formed for the student. Because why these sets are formed? Because the copy should not be done in the practical examination. Therefore the different questions are given for the set of the student. 10 students will be there in the set, first set, second set, third set and fourth set. So likewise the third set will carry out and describe color reactions of protein, which will contain 12 marks. And the question number 6 in the third set will be carry out and explain the significance of the test. Following test means Mollis test and inversion test. You have to write the significance. What are the different significance for this test, and it will carry 8 marks. Question number 7 in the fourth set, that will be carry out and explain the significance of the following test: Barford test and Fleming test. You have to write the significance of the following test. Then you have to write the question 8 in the fourth set, perform the test on sucrose. You have to write the perform the test on sucrose means you have to write procedure, observation and inference of the sucrose, and you should do at least 3 tests for this sucrose. So you should know these are the sets which are given for the 10 students each. Now you have to perform this in the examination to get through with good marks. So you should know that along with this practical examination, there will be the Grand Viva. What is Grand Viva? The questions are asked from the theory chapters, and this will carry 20 marks. 10 marks for physiology and 10 marks for biochemistry. So these marks are very helpful for the theory examination also. These Viva questions are asked from the different chapters. Which are included in the syllabus of biochemistry. So you should know this 10 marks for physiology and 10 marks for biochemistry. To secure maximum marks, you have to answer the questions to the examination. If you answer the more questions, then you will get good marks. Out of 10, you should get at least 7 or 8 in each subject, because this physiology and biochemistry will be the combined subject, and 7 and or 8 for the physiology means at least roundabout you should get 16 marks out of 20. So out of 20 you should get 16 marks. Then it will become easy for you to get through the examination, because these marks are included in the theory. Okay, so you should know that these are very important marks of the Grand Viva for the examination. So you should not be confused about this practical examination. Viva, Grand Viva is asked along with the practical examination. While carrying out the practical, one by one the student comes to the examiner and he will ask you the questions on the theory chapters which are included in the syllabus for the university examination. So friends, don't be under wrong impression, prepare it well. If you like my lecture, share it and subscribe it. Thank you very much.